Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your JBL Wi-Fi beam is not charging and what you can do about it. So the first thing that you can try is that if you can access the app, go to the bottom, go to support, and there you're going to reset to factory settings in the JBL headphones, and you want to reset them. So this is the first thing that you can try. Now the second thing that you can try to do is that you want to change the cable, you want to change the adapter, like influence, like try different cable. Also try to clean it from the bottom, right? Try to, like with a brush or something, maybe that's going to work too. And then what you can try to do is that we're going to do the factory reset the traditional way. So the traditional way is that you're going to put them back to the case. So put them back in the case, then close them. And now what you want to do is just open the case and take both out. And you want to press 3 times the left earbud. And then on the third time, when you're going to press it, you want to just hold it. So 1, 2, 3, and hold. And you can do this, try it out multiple times. Maybe it's going to work out. And now it has been disconnected. So again, I'm going to go again, 1, 2, 3, and do it like that. Also, your phone needs to be unpaired. So this is the first thing, that's something that I recommend to do. And that's pretty much it. So then you would put them back in. Oh yeah. So that's how it's done. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.